person who has returned, and this is important, find out what they want. I'm going to be candid with you, Sarah. This may be your last chance. Miles is 8 now. Soon the invading soul will have control, and Miles will be gone. Watch the silver eye on top of the arm. Every time it swings, let's pretend we're unraveling a piece of string, little by little. Let's pretend that piece of string is time, unraveling minute by minute, second by second, going backwards. Time slipping away. Everything around you, this house, my voice, your mother, all these things